Good morning, my dear children. Today we'll start the third chapter of civics, that is, why do we need a parliament? In this chapter, you will learn the reasons for opting parliamentary system of government in India. So let's start the chapter. Under colonial rule, Indian people had lived in fear of the British government. Indians did not agree with many of the decisions that they took. At last, India became independent on August 1947. Children, now let's see the reasons for opting parliamentary system of government in India. A parliament is a legislative body of government. Therefore, to give equal representation to all and to reduce the chances of dictatorship, India opted for parliamentary system of government. Now let's see what does parliament consist of. The Parliament of India consists of the President, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Well, Lok Sabha, also known as the lower house or House of the People, has around 545 members elected for 5 years. Whereas Rajya Sabha, also known as the upper house, has around 245 members elected for 6 years. To become a member of parliament, a person must be a citizen of India and not less than 30 years of age in the case of Rajya Sabha and not less than 25 years of age in the case of Lok Sabha. The functions of parliament include forming a government and controlling it, also making new laws and updating old laws. Children, to select the national government, the country is divided into different constituencies and elections are conducted. The party which gets majority is invited by the president to form the government. The next majority party form the opposition. The prime minister is the leader of the ruling party. If a single party did not get a proper majority to form a government, they join together with different political parties to form a government. Such government is known as coalition government. Generally, the first hour of sitting of Lok Sabha is devoted to questions and that hour is called the question hour. Members of the parliament are free to ask questions to get information on public concern matters. The parliament can introduce new laws and change the old ones. Therefore, my dear children, as citizens of a great country, we all have a duty to abide by the law and the fundamental principles of our constitution. Our leaders opted for a parliamentary system of government where the people of India could voice their opinions and participate in the decision-making process. So let's understand the importance of it and safeguard it. Thank you.